Please join the class. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi, Shipraji. Good afternoon. Hi, Bindu ma'am. Good afternoon. So, today I'll be teaching you how to make a photo frame with newspapers. Okay. So, newspapers or calendar papers, magazine papers, your wish. You can take any kind of papers, that's fine. And you need to have, I'll just say the materials list. I'm just painting this canvas. I'm just painting the canvas board with white color. Uh, See, I'll just say you the materials needed. See, newspaper strips, yeah, newspaper strips, okay, and this acrylic colors, and you need a fevicol, and some decoration items. I'm taking this like, hello Kenzie, how are you? So I'm taking this mirrors and some neon colors, tubes, and photo like this invitations and all, or some wedding cards I'll take. See, old wedding cards, old wedding cards I'm taking. So I'll just show you how I'll make an photo frame, and you also need an OHP sheet. Actually, today I not get the OHP sheet, so I'll just show you how to keep the OHP sheet. But right now, why not get the OHP sheet near me, near my place? I not get OHP sheet. That's the reason. I'll just say you how to keep the OHP sheet. So first of all, you can take a canvas board. See, I have taken canvas board. This is an homemade canvas. See, this is how the Bindu ma'am said, right? Bindu ma'am recently said how to make an canvas with bakram. So this is that canvas. So I have took this canvas. You can also take some cardboard. So you like I'm visible since my workplace is visible, right? My audio is clear. Do I need to speak louder? Please let me know if I need to speak more louder. Is everything okay? My workplace, everything? Is it blur or something? Please let me know so that I'll just start the class. Please let me know if everything is okay. I'll just start the class. Okay, thank you, Shipraji. So, see, I have took this canvas and I have coated with white paint two times. So this is the one I'm doing. I had just painted white paint again. See, but I have given some shading. See, you can see, right? I have just given some pinkish shade. Okay, your wish background can be anything, but for my teaching I just give this background. Your wish light color background will be more beautiful. Prefer light color backgrounds only. Okay, white, light blue, light pink, those type of light color backgrounds will only be bright and beautiful. Okay, so now I'll just say you. So I'm just starting the class. uh, shall I wait? Okay, so Okay, I'll see 2 more minutes. See, I'll just show you how to roll the paper, newspaper. Take a strip. Yeah, sure, you can use neon colors, no issues. Your wish, you can use neon colors, you can use neon tubes, your wish. I'll just say how to make a frame, and decoration depends on you, okay? Like you can do any type of decoration. See, I'll just give you some ideas how to do the decoration. Uh, you can do regarding that, okay? See, take a refill and just keep refill this way. Recently, madam have told, right, the African dolls, like while doing African dolls, madam have already explained us how to roll a newspaper equally, like, okay. So today I'll just show you it again, how to roll a newspaper. See, equally. Somebody, like someone will get, like, here it will be thin, and going on it will become thicker one. So for not, like, you should not do that way. It should be in this way. See, this pen refill should go more inside the paper, and just start folding it. See, in this way you will get equally. See, you just keep gum on the one side, this way. So now you just keep hand one side, this side and this side, and just roll it equally, slowly, equally, okay. So in this way you are getting equally, see, equal size you are getting, see. In this way you just need to fold the newspaper, okay. You just need to fold the newspaper in this way equally. So slowly you just need to fold, okay. Just move your hands while rolling it. See, you just move to the corners. Move your hands towards the corners so that it will come perfectly, okay. See, I'm moving my hands towards the corners slowly. So, see, everything is perfect, right? See, in the equal way you got the newspaper, okay. Roll. Now in this way you need to roll up the newspapers equally, okay. So I have done some newspaper rolls. See, I have already done some newspaper rolls, okay. So right now I'll be taking glue gun, but prefer to take Fevicol itself, because it will take some time to dry up. I'm just taking the glue gun. Here wish you can also take the glue gun, no problem, but be careful while working with it, because children are there in our group. So please be careful while working with the glue gun, okay? Or else I'll just stick it up first. See, just stick the rolls. Four rolls you can, 4 or 5 rolls you can stick in one side. Side by side you can just stick 4 rolls. See, one strip will get one roll this way. So for our newspaper, I mean for our frame, see, For this frame, see, I'll just teach you this type of frame today. So see, for this I have just taken 1 2 3 4 frame, 4 rolls in one side, 4 rolls on the whole sides, like 4 rolls here, 4 rolls here, 4 roll here. See, so 4 into 4, you need 16 rolls. You need 16 rolls because these are big ones. See, these are bit big. So these are 4, these are small, so we'll just take 5 rolls. Okay, and this one is a big canvas also. This one is a bit big canvas, so this is sufficient. So this is, I think, a 12 by 12 canvas on which I have done this photo frame. See, you all can see, right? So this one I have took for 16 frame rolls I have done. I means 16 strips you need. Okay, so right now I'll just check with my you just check with your board, cardboard or canvas board, anything. Just check with your canvas board how it looks. Like you need no, you not take big borders. It should be not only thin border also. Okay, see here, I'll just keep and I'll see. I think we can go with this border. Okay, so I'll just take four rolls. I'll just take 4 rolls and stick one side by side. You're understanding, right? Please let me know if you have any problem. See, I'm just sticking it. Sticking the roll side by side. See, I'm just sticking the roll side by side. So in this way, stick the rolls side by side. In this way, just need to stick the rolls. You're getting me? Are you getting me? मानसा जी, आपको समझ में आया ये क्या बोला? Please be free. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I'll just clarify. If you not get, I'll again clarify the doubt. No issues. I'll again and again say you till you understand. No problem. See, you need to stick the strips in this way. See, in this way you just need to stick the strips. I'm sticking only 4 strips, like 4 uh, rolls. You can just take 5 rolls also. If your rolls are very thin, you can just take 5 rolls. If your rolls are bit thick, you can just take 4 rolls are enough. But my canvas is little small one, so I'm just taking. Depends on the canvas and the board you take. Okay, just you see, check the canvas. If it is this much, that's fine. Bigger one you should not take. Bigger width one you should not take, and very small also you should not take. It should be at least this much. Okay, this much border you need to take. So see, I just keep it aside. It should dry up. I'll just do it with the glue gun now. It will take some time because with Fevicol it takes some time to dry up. So I'll just use glue gun right now. I'll again just another 4 I'll just paste them side by side. This one, this is a record book page actually. This is the, like, I think this one should be 6 by 4 or something. I don't know the size properly. This is an lab book manual. How Bindu ma'am said right recently how to do an canvas. That way I have done this canvas. Okay. Depending on the size of the canvas, you just uh, take this borders, okay, borders of the newspaper. So in this way you need to stick the strips, okay. Be careful while doing with the glue gun. If you have glue gun, be careful while doing. One second, I'll just bring my glue stick. 'See, this is how you just need to make a strip, okay. So we have two borders over here, see. Now see, this way you just need to calculate and just cut the borders, okay. See, just take a pencil, and just make it this cross way. Here you just make a V shape over here. See, you can see right, I'm just making a V shape over here. Here also just make a V shape over here. So here also in this way just take a scissors, cut. See, in the slanting way you need to cut, okay? So in this way you just need to cut and just stick here, okay? Just stick it here. Just stick it over here. You're getting me right? Please let me know if you're not getting me. I'll just see you how to do it properly again. So here also just cut it in a slanting way. You just need to cut this in a slanting way. So see, this way you need to just take this borders. Now just take this again and just measure this over here. See, my Fevicol is not yet dried up. That's the reason I am not using Fevicol right now. So you just measure this with this and just cut it accordingly. In a slanting way. See, I'm just cutting it in a slanting way. See how I have cut it. See, everyone can see, right? Everyone are understanding? Please let me know. If you are not understanding, please ask me. See how I have kept. See, in this way you just need to keep the borders, okay? Now take this and just measure it over here and just stick it up with this. So just measure it here and just cut it the same way slantingly. So here. See, everyone are getting right what I am doing. Please let me know if you're understanding or no. I don't know if you're understanding or no. Is it boring? See, in this way you just need to make a frame, okay? You just need to make a frame. Now take some acrylic colors. See, now I'll take some color. You just take some color. See, everyone got till now, right? How to do this one? Everyone got till now? Everyone, please let me know. Everyone got till now? So now I'm just taking violet color. Just color. Just color with the acrylic color only because it will not go away. Just fill the gaps in between also. Please let me know if you're understanding or no. Please do let me know if you're understanding. Is it boring? Thank you so much. Thank you, Prithvi. Or Pavan, I don't know. Thank you so much. See, in this way, you just need to paint. Just fill up the gaps between. Be careful. Sure, do it, Pavan. I would love to see the way you do. I'll just wait for the article you'll send. Be careful, don't let the color stick on this board because we need just a light color background only. Or else you can also paint and then stick because its time will not be sufficient. I just sticked it first, but you can just paint the strips first and then you can stick, no problem. You can just paint this borders first and then stick. Okay, you can just paint them first and then you can stick slowly, no problem, because you people will have more time. You can do it slowly, no problem. So in this way just need to color. So see, this way you just need to paint the borders. You can just do two coatings. If a newspaper is visible, please do two coatings. If paint newspaper is visible, okay. See, see, okay, in this way you just need to paint, okay. Now take some photo and stick in the middle, okay. Like this you can just stick in the middle, okay. Or else you can just take the size of the canvas board also completely, you can fill with the photo, no issues. On this you just need to paste OHP sheet, okay. On this you just need to paste the OHP sheet. I'll just wait till the border dries. I'll just explain how to keep the photo, okay. So see, I'll just show it here. See, this is an OHP sheet. See, it's an OHP sheet. I just stick the photo first. I have just stick the photo first, and on that, only three sides I have. Like if you want to remove the photo and keep, you don't cover it here. Okay. I have just covered it here because I just want only this one photo. Okay. ये एक ही फोटो मुझे चाहिए था, इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ ओपन नहीं रखा. आप लोग यहाँ ओपन रख सकते हो. और यू नीड टू फर्स्ट, आप लोग ना ये फोटो को फर्स्ट स्टिक करना है. स्टिक करने के बाद OHP शीट लेके थोड़ा बड़ा वाला फोटो के हिसाब से थोड़ा बड़ा वाला काटिए. जैसे कि देखो, ये फोटो है, ये फोटो है. और OHP शीट जो है ना, इसके ऊपर से ऐसे आना चाहिए, थोड़ा बड़ा आना चाहिए, ओके. ये OHP शीट है, ये फोटो है, तो OHP शीट यहाँ तक आना है. देखो यहाँ तक आना है, यहाँ तक ऐसे ऐसे काटना है. देखो ऐसे काटना है, OHP शीट को ऐसे काटना है, ठीक है. आपको दिख रहा है ना. देखो यहाँ तक काटना है, यहाँ मैंने पेंसिल रखा ना, यहाँ तक काटना है. OHP शीट को थोड़ा बड़ा काटना है, और फोटो के हिसाब से थोड़ा बड़ा काटना है OHP शीट को. और आपको स्टिक करना है OHP शीट, ऐसे स्टिक करना है. फोटो को छोड़ दो और OHP शीट को स्टिक करो. आपको फोटो बाहर निकालना है तो फोटो को मत, लाइक यू शुड नॉट पेस्ट द फोटो, ओके. फोटो को पेस्ट नहीं करना है. आपको फोटो निकालना है तो फोटो पेस्ट नहीं करना है. ऐसे फोटो ऐसे रख के आप केवल OHP शीट को ना ऐसे गम लगा के पेस्ट करना है बाहर बाहर में, ओके. नो, gum should not touch the photo, okay. Only the borders outside of the photo you just need to keep the gum, and you just need to paste the OHP sheet, okay. Then you can just see, you can just remove, means you should not keep this over here, this paper roll you should not keep it. You just keep three rolls and you just leave it if you want to take the photo out. If you don't want to take the photo out, you can just close it over here also, okay, so that your photo will not get spoiled. I'm just saying you to keep the OHP sheet, okay. So now going to the, hi Kanya ji, good evening. So going to the decoration part over here. See, I have done with the clay, mold it. I have, you can see, I have just done with the clay. See, flowers, petals, and leaves and all. I have just done with the clay. See, I have just done with the clay over here. So mold it. I have used mold it to do all this. See, I've just used molded to do all this, and I have used metallic colors, metallic gold, copper. I have used, and I've just black. I have used black, metallic gold, and metallic copper, and I have just colored it. Okay, this, see this photo frame. You all can see, right? This photo frame how is looking. I hope you like this photo frame. This is how we need to make photo frames. See, this is how we need to make photo frames. Right now I'll just show you how to decorate this borders. You can just take this neon color wala tubes. In neon color tubes you can take. So here you can just see this way. Thank you, Sukanya ji. See, only with this one you can just do. Only with neon colors you can just decorate it. You all can see, right? See, this way you can just use neon colors and do, or else see. Yeah, you can also decorate with 3D outliners. No issues, no problem. See, I have showed you with clay. It will be more beautiful if you can do work with clay. That would be more beautiful. Uh, but you can also use 3D outliners. Like, see, I'll be using this stones like mirrors over here right now. See, I'll just keep mirror over here. See this way. Decoration is your wish. You can do any kind of decoration you want. Okay. Decoration can be anything you want. You can also use this white outliner also my as Sukanya ji asks. See, I can just see. You can just keep some. You can just use any kind of outliners you want. like see neon outliners or metallic gold outliners or anything, depends on the color you take. Okay, it depends on the colors you take. See, the last one I have showed you the thing, I have showed you the photo frame I have done with metallic colors. See, that is like a antique piece, right? For that reason, I have just used only gold, metallic, and copper colors for that. For this, I'm just using a different type of different colors. See, in this way, you can just keep any kind of thing. So inside, after keeping, you can also use glass paints. See, glass paints also you can use. See, this way you can use glass paints also from inside. And inside one, after this pasting this, see right now I'll just paste this one. Yes, you can also use quilling papers. I forgot to say. You can also use quilling papers. Right now I don't have quilling papers. That's the reason I am not showing you how to do with quilling papers. Or else I would have showed you how to do quilling also. See, this is the photo, and this background you will get this one with OHP sheet. After that you just need to paste this one. Okay, this this rolls again, you just need to stick with the rolls. Okay, or else you can just paste with the whole thing. It's a whole photo also you can just paste on that. You can just give the OHP sheet. Okay, thank you, Sukanya ji. See, see, this way you just need to. See, I'm just closing it here also. If you close on the three sides, that will look more beautiful. If you want, you can just leave it like this and you can just take the photo out and you can change the photos also. No problem. Okay. You can just change the photos also. Okay. Now you just take the brush, thin brush, you just take a thin brush and just carefully paint this one. Okay. So see, this way You can just paint over here. See, see, in this way you can just keep the photo. Okay. Okay. Everyone is getting right how to make a photo frame. I think it's a bit sideways. I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, in this way just need to make a photo frame, and you can just leave this, or you can fill it up with any color. See, you can fill it up with glass colors to bring in glass effect, or you can just write any happy birthday or first birthday. See, this is my baby's first birthday invitation card, so I'll just write first birthday invitation card. Okay. um of Tanai, I'll just write see, I'll just write first birthday invitation card. You can just do anything. See, in this way, you can just thank you. Thank you everyone. So in this way you can just keep anything. You can write the names, or you can also fill it with different type of colors, with glass colors. See, I'll just show you. I'll just fill some glass colors over here. See, to just bring in glass color effect over here. You can just take a brush and just you can just apply this glass colors, no problem. See, and this way you can just keep different glass colors and all. That is just so don't like if you apply this glass colors, don't just move the paper or anything. It will just mix it, means like you'll be getting this is black. I think it got dried up. Black got dried up. Right. So without borders, if you draw this way, you'll just see. You'll get some kind of shading effect after sometimes, because this glass colors will flow on. So it will flow into another color, one on the other, and it will look beautiful. Okay. See, in this way you just can fill up. Yeah, sure. You can just see. You can just make it two-way, and you can just keep another newspaper strip over here. Okay, and you just need to means leave this open. Okay, this side you need to leave this open, and you can to take and keep the photos. In between also you need to just make a border, so you can take care two photos. Okay, you can just decorate the whole, and you can keep two photos here. Means like I have kept only one right now. but you can keep two also, you can keep three also if you take big one. Okay, big one, if you take canvas or cardboard, if you take big one, you can just keep two or three side by side, no problem. See, you just need to make the partition with this newspaper only. Okay, newspaper rolls only, you can just make borders and do the partitions. Okay, see, I'll just show you. uh, See, in this way you can just keep a partition over here. Okay, in this way you can just keep a partition over here, and here in one photo you can keep, and here another photo you can keep. Okay, got it, Sukanya ji? I'm just showing one photo here. Here you can just try out with two photos or three photos, or you can keep in big frame, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and you will keep, like you can say family in the between. You can write family in the between. Four photos you can keep in a big frame, and you can write family, or you can write the family with the mold it. You can just write family with mold it, you can just roll the mold it in, you can write family and all, and you can write home and all, your wish. You can do anything. Okay, this is a very simple frame I have said you today, because for doing complicated frames we need time. 1 hour will be not sufficient, so that's the reason I'm just saying this. This one is very easy frame I have said you right now. Okay, for like, see, for this frame which I have done, see this frame which I have done, right? See, this all we need very patience, and very slowly you need to do, because uh, this should not, like, this should not be disturbed. So see, see the work I have done over here with mold it, it is like buttons and all. So this kind of works will be more beautiful if you base for the photo we should use canvas. No, you can use cardboard also, no issues. You can use thick paper also. Thick paper also you can use, like thick charts you'll get, right? So thick charts also you can use, no issues. Means depends, like depends on the decoration you do. See, if you go for the clay decoration, it's compulsory that you take a cardboard or a canvas or a MDF board, because clay is bit heavy, right? So thank you so much. So clay is bit heavy, so to manage that heaviness, you just need to take cardboard or canvas or something. So this is in canvas. So this is in canvas which I have used for this photo. Okay, so this is in canvas. Okay, so this one is a simple decoration. This is in techniques of glass painting. So you will just you can just bring out a glass effect over here. So that's the reason I have just said this effect. So this way you just need to do the photo frames. Okay, you can just keep the quilling also. I have, I think, 1 second, I'll show you the quilling part. I don't know where. See, I don't know where my quilling materials have gone. Otherwise, I would have shown you how to do the quilling. So this way you can just do different kind of frames. Okay, this way you can just do different kind of frames. So you can just keep it on the wall. So I'll just complete this one. See, this way you just need to do the decorations and all. So see in this photo frame, I have left this uh, place with white only. I have not done anything. So I have left this place white only. Okay, I have not done anything. Okay, so you can leave this place white only. You wish you can just paint, or also see you can just paint it like. So you can just paint it with different colors. See, here in this way you can just here you can have some flower or something. Okay. See, in this way, one side you can just keep an flower. You can paint a flower. You can just paint also in that place, or you can just fill it completely with the photo itself. Your wish. I'll just wait for the different photo frames today. Okay. I'll just wait for different photo frames. See, I am just showing you different ways of decoration. This is not the article actually. I'm just saying you different ways of decoration. You can just use any one kind, or you can use all kinds, but be careful. Don't mix it up all, mix all, because it will not look that good. See, this way you can just paint it also. Anything you want, you can just paint it. This is just to show you. I'm just doing it like normally I'm just doing it. Okay, this is just to show you. Okay, fine. So I'll just wait for the articles today. So this is for today. I hope you all understood and enjoyed. I'll hope I'll get more articles of photo frames. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, please let me know, or else I'll end up the session today. So this one and this one. See. You can also gift to your friends, family members, or anyone. Like they can hang up in the home also, no problem. So, this is for today then. Hope you all understand and enjoyed. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm ending up the session. Okay. I'll just keep these photos in the group. Okay. Bye.